Hi, I'm Chef Ricky Moore, and in the South we love our puddings. And I'm going to show you how to make one that's light, rich, but very decadent. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add egg whites to our bowl, and we're going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar. And we're going to blend these to stiff peaks. As you're whipping, because you're incorporating air, this is going to create the texture in the pudding. It's going to make it light. Now we achieve stiff peaks. We'll set this aside. Now we're going to add our other ingredients. We'll add sugar, add egg yolks, lemon zest, marjoram, low-fat buttermilk, lemon juice, which is the main ingredient. And this is going to give it a light, bright, tangy flavor. Then we're going to add all-purpose flour. We're going to blend everything until well combined. Okay, once everything is combined, we're going to fold in our egg whites. You want to add half of the egg whites, and you want to fold and rotate, fold and rotate, fold and rotate. And this is what's going to make the dessert very light. So let's add the rest of the whites inside and do the same technique. Fold, rotate, fold. Okay, now once everything is well blended, we're going to add it to our souffle dish. Now this goes in the oven, 350 degrees, for about 1 hour or until golden brown on top. And very carefully add hot water to a pan, and what you're doing is you're creating a hot water bath. And what this does is it creates a gentle cooking environment so that the custard and the cake won't break. Okay, that's the reason why we do a hot water bath. So this goes in the oven for 1 hour or until golden brown on top at 350. I can't wait to taste it. Light, bright, airy, and lemony, just delicious.